Alright, so here we got the original drive shaft, came out of the truck there. And this is the yoke that's out of the A518 transmission from the Dodge Ram truck. So we gotta take this out to the shop, get them to weld this yoke onto this transmission, and then we'll get some new U-joints in there, get it all painted up, and install that into the truck there. We got both U-joints replaced, and we got the drive shaft cut down, and we got the yoke for the 518 transmission put onto the U-joint for the original drive shaft here. So we're gonna bolt that up into place. It'll be one step closer to getting this thing going here.